What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
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 Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Severus Snape,
Harry Potter,
Harry Potter, Severus Snape,
that's me.
Snape,
Harry,
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 Snape,
Harry, Dumbledore! Dumbledore!
Harry Potter,
I'm Harry
Severus
Potter.
Snape,
I'm Harry Potter.
Harry Potter, singing our song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb.
Voldemort, Voldemort, Voldemort.